Hey everybody, it's John Krasinski. Today, I'm excited to talk about AliExpress, one of the most popular online shopping platforms out there. It's a giant online marketplace where you can find almost anything you can imagine. We're talking clothes, electronics, home goods, beauty products, and even unique gadgets. You name it, they've got it. And the best part? The prices are unbelievably affordable, often much lower than what you'd find in traditional stores. Millions of people around the world use it every single day, and for good reason. It's a global phenomenon. It's convenient, it's affordable, and it's a whole lot of fun. You can shop from the comfort of your home. Think of it like a digital souk with access to sellers from all over the world. You can find unique items from different cultures. So, whether you're a seasoned online shopper or just starting out, AliExpress is definitely worth checking out. Let's dive in and explore the endless possibilities together. Ready to dive into AliExpress? First, create an account. Head over to the AliExpress website or download the app. Click on Register or Sign Up. Enter your email, password, and name. After filling out the details, hit Create Account. Now fill out your profile. Add your shipping address in Morocco and payment information. AliExpress is super secure. Easy peasy. Now let's move on to finding some amazing deals. Here's where the real adventure begins. Get ready to dive into a world of endless possibilities. AliExpress has a mind-boggling selection of products. From the latest gadgets to unique fashion pieces, there's something for everyone. Use the search bar at the top of the page to find what you're looking for. Simply type in keywords and watch the magic happen. AliExpress will show you a massive list of results. The options are virtually endless, giving you plenty to choose from. Use the filters on the left-hand side to narrow down your search. This will help you find exactly what you need more efficiently. Filter by price, color, brand, shipping options, and more. Customize your search to match your preferences perfectly. Sort your search results by popularity, price, or seller rating. This way, you can easily find the best deals and top-rated items. Don't be afraid to explore. Stumble upon unexpected treasures. Sometimes the best finds are the ones you weren't even looking for. Get lost in the digital aisles and see what catches your eye. Enjoy the thrill of discovering new and exciting products. Section 4. Getting it to Morocco. You've found the perfect product and are ready to buy. AliExpress offers a variety of shipping options. AliExpress Standard Shipping. Affordable, takes around 15-45 days. AliExpress Premium Shipping. Faster, takes around 7-15 days, often with tracking. Private courier services, fastest but most expensive, like DHL, FedEx, or UPS. Pay attention to estimated delivery time and cost. Check with your local customs office for more information on duties and taxes. Section 5. Shopping smart and safe. In today's digital age, online shopping has become a convenient way to purchase goods from the comfort of your home. Always check the seller's rating and reviews before buying. This helps you gauge the reliability and trustworthiness of the seller. Look for high positive feedback and lots of positive reviews. A product with numerous positive reviews is more likely to meet your expectations. Pay attention to the product description to avoid surprises. Detailed descriptions provide insights into the product's features and specifications. AliExpress offers secure payment options like credit cards, PayPal, and cash on delivery. Choose the method that best suits your needs. Ensure the website is secure before entering payment information. This protects your personal and financial data from potential threats. Look for the padlock icon and https:// in the address bar. These indicators show that the website uses encryption to safeguard your information. Reach out to the seller if you have any questions. Clear communication can resolve doubts and ensure a smooth shopping experience. Happy shopping, everybody!